Examples of homophones. Higher. The plane flew higher than the clouds. They want to hire a new manager. Deer. We saw a deer in the forest. My dear friend is visiting today. Scent. The scent of roses filled the room. He sent me a message last week. Steal. It's wrong to steal from others. The bridge is made of steel. Fare. The bus fare has increased. The fare was a lot of fun. Boar. The wild boar ran through the woods. His speech began to bore the audience. Sign. Please sign the contract. The sign function is used in trigonometry. Hair. She has curly hair. The hare sprinted across the field. Sea. We sailed across the sea. I can see the mountains from here. Thank you.